Ay, thank you. Please sit down. First, we'd like to thank the board, no? The principal, Mr. Pastor Danny Balete, for giving us this opportunity to interact. No? I really, you might be surprised, but there are times when I get to read letters, I cannot answer all of the letters. I'm told there are several thousands every day. We actually wanted to set up para a texting service. You want to reach me, text me. Hanggang nasabi sa akin ilang billions of text messages every day. Ngayon, pag nag-percentage lang tayo, maski 10% nun, di daang billion ang pinag-uusapan natin, hindi ko kaya sagutin lahat yun. Baka makasuhan pa ako na not responding to a citizen sa official communication right away. Okay. So, opportunities like this, and this is the first time that I've done this, no? Really, and when I talk to people who are young, no, para I can be sure that they don't have an agenda other than what they write. No. Now, I'd like to thank for those who wished me, I think that marami dami na nag-happy birthday, yung concerns about my health, and also for what they perceived as our inefficiencies with regards to Yolanda. So, I asked for this dialogue precisely and primarily because I felt that we owe you the truth. No? And at the end of the day, the truth really does empower all of us, no? And guides us later on. Guides us later on and actually right now. So, yung kanina na tense kayo na audacious questions and all of that, dapat hindi. No? We are in a democracy. We should have an exchange of ideas. No? We should be able to talk to our leaders. Hindi na pwede yung may leader na elevated on some high pedestal. We are a democratic country. No? You lead, and our philosophy is we lead by consensus. Pinagkasunduan natin. Hindi dinidiktahan tayo. Hindi na tayo babalik sa diktahan. Okay. Now, if I can just impart with you, pasensya na kayo, medyo older ako sa inyo ng konti, no? Na pagkakataon nandito kayo, nakakapag-aral. Samantalahin niyo yung pagkakataon na makuha yung dunong. No? Parang maximize your ability to imbibe all of the knowledge that your teachers have dedicated their lives into sharing with you and the rest of the faculty and the administrators. No? It would be, I'm sure God has a very good plan for all of us. No? And it is incumbent upon all of us to be able to participate in that by preparing ourselves fully. Okay? Siguro last point ko lang, I just like to remind everybody, kahapon I was talking to students in a postgraduate institution and I told them, the person who asked me a question was 25 years old or so. Sabi ko, nasa mid-20s ka. Sabi niya, sir, 25. Ako rin nasa mid. No? Midlife nga lang. Pero, so whenever I talk to people who are younger than me, I keep telling them, no, this is what we shape today will make our collective future. Di ba? Now, since you will have a longer lifespan than I have, you will either enjoy the fruits of all of our labor or suffer more. Yeah? So, who has more responsibility in shaping the future? Perhaps we who are responsible for it right now, but you will benefit most, no, by doing your share, no, so that we attain our dreams faster rather than later. Ulit, if we collectively succeed, you will, di ba, enjoy more of this life. If we collectively fail, you will suffer more than those of us who came before you. So if we have the choice of making sure that, di ba, we enjoy the fruits of our labor or suffer, siguro naman kukunti magsasabi, doon tayo sa suffer. Okay? And that is within our reach. So I'd like to thank again everybody involved making this possible. And ayaw ko naman sabihin, I'm just a text away. Dahil nung may nagkalat ng telepono ko, sa totoo lang, parang wala na akong ginawa kundi i-charge. At bago ko masagot yung isa, meron 50 pumapasok. At siguro yung 49 na hindi ko nasagot dahil may pumasok na 50 after that, galit sa akin. No. Talaga, imagine, we're 97 million Filipinos. Even at 10% na lang mag-text sa akin within the year, 9.7 million people. At 1 minute per text, bahala na kayo mag-compute how many minutes and how much time that will take. I would want to be able to do that. But if I did that, di ba, siguro wala na ako nakasikaso ibang bagay at siguro parami yung reklamo. Wala ka nang ginawa kundi sumagot ng text. Okay. So, again, we really are hoping that we will succeed to delivering a better future than all of you and leaving this world better than what we found. Thank you and good day.